Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. If you want to stick around and see more of me, turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. We're diving right in. I just got my February Ipsy Glam bag. This is my PR package, so thank you to Ipsy for gifting. This video is basically a spoiler alert. So it's just going to be what you and I could get in our bags. I also get my paid for Ipsy bag. So if you don't like spoilers, then maybe this is not the video for you. But if you are here and you do want to find out what's inside the February box, then let's get started. If you're unfamiliar with the Ipsy Glam bag, our OG Ipsy Glam bag is $13 a month for a makeup cosmetics bag, and then 5 travel try me size items. Occasionally we get lucky, y'all, and Ipsy throws in a full size product for us, and you get to pick one of those items. Our Glam Bag Plus is $28 a month. You also get a makeup bag or cosmetics bag, and then 5 full size products, and you get to pick 3 of those products. I have gotten Ipsy for a very long time, since back in 2015, I believe. And last year I was put on their PR list through Ipsy Open Studios, so super duper excited. Definitely an honor for sure, because I really do always say that I feel like Ipsy Glam Bag is really a great bang for your buck. Some months are better than others, but you know, it is what it is. All right. And I don't get any spoilers myself. I don't ever get to see like what the bag looks like or anything. I'm surprised with you guys. It comes like this. Everything typically kind of is just kind of haphazardly thrown in, so I don't always for sure know what's supposed to be in the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. So if I'm ever wrong about that, I do apologize. Just know again that this is more of a spoiler alert for you, and also just kind of a what could you get and what type of products are in the bag for that month. So I'm going to find our card first. I'm seeing some good stuff already. February 2023, you are loved. Buy yourself flowers. Isn't that kind of funny? I know they made this way before Miley's debut of her song, but still cute. Wear a fragrance that makes you smile. Give yourself a compliment for trying that new lip color. Created by designer Dime Jones, or maybe it could be Dime. This month's bag is a reminder that you deserve to be spoiled because self-love is the best love. I love that. And again, it is Ipsy Open Studios. Thank you again to Ipsy for gifting. I think that is so adorable. All right. The bag, I think, is so damn cool. If you're new here, my favorite colors are yellow and pink. And then it's got this cool, like, marbled effect on the back. Oh, man, so cute. And it says, self-love is the best love. And then it has a cute little heart zipper pull. I am all about self-love, affirmation, self-care. So we're going to go into our OG bag first. And first up, I have Dime or Dime, I'm not sure, Volume Mascara, and that's pretty much all it says. Our mission is simple, to make high-end beauty and wellness products affordable to everybody. This package is 100% biodegradable, and it does also have a place on here for the expiration date. I really like that. All right, next up is a gloss or a liquid lipstick. I'm not sure. It's by Pink Lips. And the color is Cherry Bomb. It does say that they are cruelty-free. Okay. Next up, we have a Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. I actually had a full size of this product a while back. Next is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. And I really like this bag. I know that there's a lot of frustration right now, even on my end as a consumer, because we are kind of getting crossover products between Ipsy and Boxy. We're getting repeat products. We're getting sometimes product that we feel like maybe is a little bit older. So hopefully they're moving in the right direction. Hopefully this year we're going to start seeing some changes with them. And then last in this little bag is the Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. I've also gotten this multiple times. So in our Glam Bag OG, we have 3 skincare products, and then we have a mascara and a lip product. And of course, our little bag, which I love. I typically just kind of stick these in like giveaways and things like that. I think it's well curated. I am okay with a little bit more skincare versus makeup. I may try out the mascara. I don't want to open this simply because I don't know what it is, and I'm probably not going to keep it and use it for myself, so it'll most likely go in a PIF. And I know part of the frustration is people are like, why would I want to pay to get minis? That's the reason I like getting Ipsy Glam bag. I love that I can pop this in my overnight bag. Now, I get it if maybe you're not someone that travels a lot or anything like that. But for me, I always need stuff like this, and I think it's a great way to get something. I mean, I've paid $13 for this. The average mascara covers the price of my bag, and I get the little cute bag. For a little bit of money, I can try a bunch of products. I can try a bunch of brands, kind of get my feet wet, if you will, with a brand. And then if I love it, I can invest and buy full-size products, or I can buy directly from the brand or whatever the case may be. So for that reason, I genuinely do really love Ipsy Glam bag. Next up is our Plus. Here is the Plus bag for the month. Also says self-love is the best love. And every month we will have the coordinating bags. They will coordinate and kind of go together, which I also really love. All right, first thing right on top, I see something from MOTD in some bubble wrap. Oh, it's a blush duo. It says customize, buildable color, soft glow, and the shade is Pink Lace. They are a cruelty-free brand. That's adorable. It's really fair, but it's very much giving me like Charlotte Tilbury dupe. If you've seen like the little blushes by Charlotte Tilbury like this. I may try it. It seems like it's a little light, but it looks really freaking beautiful. And y'all know if I don't end up using it, then of course it goes in my PIF for you guys. I like that though. That's super cute. I've not seen that. Next up, cuteness. Cuteness overload. It's an SL Miss Glam brush. I'm trying to find some writing. Angled Blush GB01, I believe is what it says. I should wear my glasses. That is what it looks like with the cute rhinestones and the little ombre bristles. But look how cute this is, you guys. Like, how perfect is that? How fitting is that? And I love that this brush even kind of matches the bags and stuff. And you have the brush to go with your blush. That was really hard for me to say. Super cute already. Really excited. Next up is the Qveen or Queen. I'm honestly not sure because it's a V here, but I think it's supposed to mean like queen. But Qveen Dragon Duo Liquid and Wax Pencil Dragon Liner Set. I am intrigued. The Qveen liquid liner and the regular black, like, you know, standard eyeliner are fantastic. It's the same thing. Yeah, I'm not going to open these. Okay, yeah, I've definitely gotten this before. This is the exact same one. Here's this, and then my liner's right here. I have all my liners in here, so it will take me 3 years to go through it and find it. But incredibly, incredibly black. If you get these in your box, please don't discredit them. Fantastic. Bulletproof, very, very black. They didn't irritate my eyes or anything like that. I'm excited to have this. Super excited. So already we've got blush, the brush, and the eyeliners. Next up is another brand I really love, the Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. I really love essences. It's for toning, soothing, and revitalizing. And of course, it will be a full size. It says all skin types, close your eyes and spray evenly on cleansed skin, hold from the face about 6 inches. That's kind of all it tells us. I do also just want to mention too, I wish I could give more information. Again, the sole purpose of this is just to say, hey, this is the type of assortment, or maybe an idea of what you could possibly get, or what I can get in my bag at the end of the month. But typically in your glam bag, you're going to get a little card that really gives a good description, value, things like that of the products in your bag. And then last, y'all going to be happy. I know so many of us love when we get a palette, and I did get a palette this month as well. This is the Beauty Bakery Do It for the Gram, like graham cracker eyeshadow palette. I have gotten literally 4. This is my 4th Beauty Bakery palette that I've received. And it says, our Do It for the Gram eyeshadow palette will have you begging, gimme some more, with 12 full matte and duochrome powdered ice cream shades. It does have a 12-month shelf life. Oh, very cute. It's very neutral, but like a couple little pops of color in here. I like that it goes from light to dark. I like that there's some mattes and some shimmers in this. Okay, I think I'm gonna hold on to this. I think I am gonna keep the blush and just try it. So if you guys want to see a look with this stuff, just comment down below. I will test this stuff out. I will test this. Maybe I'll keep the lipstick. I feel like we have almost a full face here, you guys. I am excited. I feel like overall, fantastic bag for both. I feel like there was an even blend of skincare to makeup product. I'm thrilled. I'm super excited. And of course, this will not be a RIRI video without me doing a PIF. If you want to enter to win, I'm going to be putting in the Qveen set, the Grown Alchemist, the Clinique, and the little Saturday Skin, and then of course the little bag. All giveaway rules are always in my description box. So basically you must be 18, be in the US, be subscribed publicly so I can see, and leave a genuine comment down below. That is it. What did you think? What did you think about the mix? Did you think it was well curated? And what are you hoping to get in your box? Let's have that conversation down below. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.